We get a lot of samples here at Good EREADER. More so than we know what to do with. At the end of each video, we'll give the item away. This is Unboxing ePaper. Oh, you know we're back at it with another episode of Unboxing ePaper. I don't even know what episode we're on. I don't edit anymore. What do we have today? I don't know. You're standing there with a Chinese wrapped box of some sort. Yes, Chinese wrapped. You will see when they throw it to me. I'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Hit me with it. And it's a high one you almost missed. So, typically when you get things from China, they're wrapped like this. They just get this plastic tape round and round and round. And for some weird reason, which I think is a conspiracy, Customs never opens and reseals these types of packages from AliExpress. Is this the real package that came in it? No? Okay. Oh, you've like, you know, rigged it so I can open it easily. Okay, let's see what we got here today. What do we have here? This is Alpha Egg. Alpha Egg. What is this? Oh, is this a paper ring? This is a paper ring. Oh, this is the thing. This is the translator thing, guys. This is a paper ring, but it looks like a cell phone. It's got this asymmetrical design on it. There's like these stamps on the back. I can't read a lick of it. We'll have to get Google Lens out and figure it all out. And it looks like there's a case too. I assume it just has AI written on it, and there's like speakers and stuff and a rip strip. This is exciting stuff. Let's head over to that table over there so we can do a top down and figure it out together. All right, I apologize. We're completely wrong. This is not a paper ring. I thought it was a paper ring because paper ring made these kind of things. This is an Alpha Egg. So thank you to Alpha Egg for sending us this sample without an email. I'm sorry, but it is true, guys. When we get these packages and they don't have emails or correspondence or like even someone following up with us on WeChat and they're like, hey, I'm from this company. We'd like to send you a sample. It's just like these blind shipments. So let's check it out all the same because this is cool. This is really cool. Look, it's a cell phone, guys. This could be the biggest cell phone ever. Not largest, but like this could be it. This could be, oh, you have to mutilate the box. So yeah, there's no way we're you know, keeping it nice and clean for you guys. Oh, a box in a box. All right. You know what? Actually, you know what we're going to do? You know what we're going to do before we continue? We got to get Google Lens out here because I can't read anything. Okay. First, we got Alpha Egg AI bilingual listening treasure. And on the back, what do we have here? So I'm going to go like this and then I have to freeze frame it. All right. So on the back of this, we got 3 major AI evolution technologies, accurate graded English, synchronously, all right, edited textbook and recorded text, 3.7-inch EINK screen, and accurate locate weak points in speaking. Wow. Well, I almost guarantee that's not going to work for any of us here because usually and typically we can't use these units because, well, it just doesn't work outside of mainland China. Well, what do we have inside, everyone? Hey, cool. All right, let's look at that at the end. We have some documentation, tells you what everything is, power button, all that. And this should just have some additional documentation, QC pass. All Chinese units have that. And, ooh, this looks very iReader-y. Ooh, very iReader color scheme. And we know iReader makes things for other people in the industry. They genuinely do. Information guide. And more information. Yeah, we're not going to be using any of this. I hope someone who can utilize this, preferably someone who maybe is from China or in China, wins this because, you know, we want this to go to the right person. Wow, this is really well built. Holy moly, that's some nice materials. That's cool. This is tiny. Look at that. Boom. That is tiny, man. Well, this is some cool stuff. We have a speaker grill, or sorry, a grill for the microphone. This seems to be the speaker. We have 3 dots, potentially maybe tertiary and secondary and quadriary, how do you say fourth or whatever, additional microphones. We have, oh look, it's English, recording and then play pause. Cool. And on the other side we have on, off, and volume, and USB-C, everybody. And it doesn't look like the back is removable of any kind. Nope, this is a sealed unit. This is really nice. Oh my gosh, if they have an English option on here. Let's crack it open. I gotta, not crack it open, sorry, dive in. And I guess before we go any further, let's open the case because we want to see. It's probably just a gel. Oh, it's got the cable in. Oh, it's not a cable. It's like a neck lanyard. Wait, there's no cable in here. Was there a cable? Wait a sec. Oh, there it is. It's in the bottom. Yeah, so cool. Silicone case, neck lanyard. Very nice. Now, I did see that it does say English on here. No, we went in the settings. You can't change the UI to English. But that actually says English. It's the same as Japanese says Eigo. And then that is Chinese. So it does have English, but it's reserved for short stories, for example. I can choose that, or I can choose this one, like a story or whatever, like that says, so that says like elementary school, that says like middle school, and then high school, Koko would be the grades. Well, it's, you know, very similar to Japanese, so I'm getting it for the most part. I have to just go through all this stuff. Oh, it looks like you download from the internet, and it takes some time to download certain stories and things that it grabs from. So what we're gonna do real quick is just try to talk into this, do some sort of recording, and then a playback, because I do believe that's gonna be the absolute zenith of what we're able to do on this thing.
Hello, what's your name? My name is Dylan. How do you spell that? D-Y-L-A-N. Dylan. What's your name? My name is Lily. Hi, Lily. Nice to meet you.
I don't mean to laugh, but it was the same girl doing all the voices. That is hilarious. It's like, hey, what's your name? Oh, I'm Dylan. They didn't even bother getting a second person. All right, I gotta say, guys, that was a fantastic speaker. That was clear. You know what it sounded like? It sounded like one of those Sony dictaphones with those really crisp microphone and speaker combos on it. This thing was crazy. That was really high quality. Alright, I think we're going to wrap it up because the UI is not in English and this thing doesn't seem to allow us to record despite long pressing, double tapping, or single tapping the actual record button. We've been through basically every single thing on the surface, and the play and pause doesn't do anything either. And there does not seem to be a way, at least with the UI elements, to access the device's storage. So even if you were planning on throwing some music onto here and using it as a music player with a huge speaker, which you may be able to do once you guys get this into your hands, doesn't look like that is its intended purpose. But for what it is, this is pretty well built. In terms of aesthetics, this is absolutely phenomenal. High quality materials, beautifully constructed, and it has so much character, something that is sometimes lost in the e-reader world. This is actually a ton of personality involved, so it gets a 5 out of 5. For its use, it is a little bit unfair, because we're not actually able to utilize this outside of its intended country, but they sent it to us, so we'll take it for face value. It is good for studying, I assume. It does have a very good loudspeaker and presumably high quality recording hardware due to its oversized microphone, so it gets a 3 out of 5. Cost. After doing some digging, it costs around the realm of $100 USD, which honestly, with a free case thrown in and a device as built as beautiful as this, that price is significantly low. And if your intended purpose is for a learning translator, then it can't be beat at that price, so it gets a 4 out of 5. Overall, this thing looks good, feels good in the hand, and has a decent amount of functionality when it comes to downloading things like stories, tests, or even recordings to help you with your English needs. It's also so cheap and cheerful that it can somehow even be chalked up as an impulse purchase. You know, you guys are really cool putting up with us about all of these kind of weird samples that come through. I think it's really fun. I really enjoy coming into the office and doing this. I really do. Like, it really mixes up just reading scripts all day, and I get to just go off script while these guys just stand around and watch me do this stupid segment. But I think it's really cool because we get all this weird stuff and you get it in the end, because we don't need the alpha egg and the thermometer, and I don't even know how many like weird translator things we've gotten, and it's just, I don't know, it's a cool way to give back. I appreciate you guys watching this. As per usual, the first 50 comments on this video will be eligible for the unit. After we go over the comments, I think we take like a couple days just in case there's some fakers in there and some duplicates and scam bots and stuff like that. And then we'll announce the winner and just ship it to you. It's pretty easy. You don't need to do Facebook shares or social media shares or anything like that. This segment takes a lot more work to get off the ground because there's a few more people. There's no scripting and b-roll and stuff like, well, there is some b-roll actually, thanks, but no, it does require a few more hands in the mix and editing and stuff like that. So we do appreciate you guys stopping by. We really do. Thank you so much for joining this segment. Thank you so much for always watching everything on Good eReader. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, we're really open. Drop them down below, send us an email, hit us up anytime. Thanks, guys.